So in this video, we will see about, we have already discussed in the previous value of, in this video we will discuss about xxx value method. So xxx value method is nothing but we are talking about these signature, wide, short, long, int, whatever it is, we are talking about this one. So basically it will return whatever, if we are going to use this method, so basically it will return the primitive data type whatever it is given in the signature. Like if I wanted to give double value, so it will return the double value. For better clarity, just take one basic example I can say. Okay, so I am taking one, I am just creating one object here, integer. I am taking an integer I equal to, I am taking any value like just take this any value. Okay, just take this, okay, take, no issue. So I am taking like this. Okay, inside this I wanted to print this value. I wanted to use xxx value. How we can use that? So let's take this out. Okay, what happened? Okay, yeah, fine. So inside this out I wanted to print I thought if I will write, it will give me some suggestions. So in which value you wanted to get the value id. Okay, I wanted to print in int value. Okay, so in int value I can say, okay, so basically it is int, no issue, it will print same as this one. I wanted to print this as a double type, double, okay, double type sys. Why it is not coming? Wait. Okay, sys utc out. I am writing like this. Oh my god, sorry, my bad. Sysout, I'm writing like this. Okay, inside this I wanted to print as a double. So let me take this double value. Inside this it will print as a double, I can say. Okay, if I wanted to print some long value. Okay, so let's take this long value, sys out, I can say that sysout I dot long value. See, these are the some double value, lowest one bit, whatever it is. So you can go and explore these things. So we can use these values inside this. Okay, so see, the output is become for this one same double. For double I can say it will print as a one decimal value. It will print like this way. See, it is printing like this value, right? So this is how we are basically converting, I can say. See, it is returning the value, whatever the inside available inside the signature value, it is returning. If I wanted to return like short value, we can also return that. If I wanted to return int value, long value, float value, whatever the value I wanted to return at runtime, we can use this method for that, right? Okay, in this video we will also see about parse xxx. So basically it converts a string to primitive, whatever the value it is available inside this. So basically it will convert the value inside, I can say, to a string, to, I can say, as a primitive type. Okay, so let's take one example how it will happen inside the parse int. Okay, so I am just removing this. Okay, inside this, so basically how a string I can say. So if I am taking a string is equal to, I am taking as a selenium, I am taking like this. Okay, so this is the selenium value. Okay, so this is the string object, I can say, right? A string reference with the s and selenium object, I can say. Selenium it is considering, right? If I'll try to take this value, definitely, okay, we will try to print this, definitely it will print as a false. So we will try to, so basically we can do operation on I can say that boolean type. I can print like double parse int, double int, whatever it is, with the help of that. But definitely this will not be, we can't do, we can't use parse method for these types of element, okay, inside the java. Okay, so basically see, basically it is selenium, it is not representing any number, or not it is representing any, we are not, it is not also representing any boolean value like true false, it is not representing, right? So if we are comparing, that's the another thing, like selenium equals to selenium, if dot equals means with the help of content comparison or reference comparison. So that's the another concept that please don't go in that much of deep. Okay, so let's understand this. I'm trying to take one value, I can say that. So I'm taking one int, I'm taking here int I equal to, I'm taking one value here is, let's take this integer. I'm taking integer dot parse int. Okay, integer dot parse int. Inside this I wanted to take some, see, basically what it is doing, parse int is basically it is converting a string to primitive, right? A string to primitive we can convert. So I'm taking here 29. Okay, so this is a string value, and we are going to convert inside the primitive type, int primitive type, right? So let's take one another value. I can say that double I am taking here. Inside the double I am taking double, let me take this double d equal to, I am taking double dot, whatever it is, dou double dot, I am taking double dot parse. If I will take, it is saying that parse double. So basically, see, it's a method overloading. See, parse int, parse double, I can say, right? So no, it is not method overloading, I can say. Basically, see, the parse is only matching. For int, parse int we are not passing. So this is separate method. So this is not method overloading, not a method overriding also. Okay, so let's see this. Inside parse double, we can pass some value inside this, right? I wanted to pass some value 78.56, whatever is the value I wanted to print. So it will, this string value will be converted into the double. It happens like in the real time example. It requires, I, for some calculation, it requires we need to, we are like, see, if we are going to at a runtime sub string value it is coming, and but I wanted to make some operations or make some calculations, so we need to convert those value into its corresponding type, I can say, right? If we will try to convert this value inside int, so definitely we will miss some value, like after decimal we will miss that. Okay, so let's take one another example, boolean b double o boolean, I can say boolean b equal to, I am taking here, let's take this boolean dot. So see, parse boolean, it is coming here inside this. So whatever the value do you want to print inside this, I wanted to print false here. I wanted to print here false. Okay, let's take this. And what happened? Wait. Boolean dot parse boolean, I can say that. Boolean dot parse boolean. Oh, okay. So this is how we can take this. Okay, next I wanted to print this value, sys out I am taking. So I am printing here I. Okay, I am printing here plus, I am writing like this, and then after in a single I am printing every value. I am taking d plus, I can say that like this way. And then after I wanted to print some boolean value inside this. Okay, so let's take this b and plus, and I'm taking like this. Okay, so let's try to print this. See the value it is printing here. So basically we are accepting here, it is accepting all are a string, this a string, but it is returning, we are simply converting a string to its primitive type. We are converting, see, 29, 78, false, whatever it is we are doing. If I wanted to do some operations, we can also do that. How we can do that? See, like I wanted to print sys out, I wanted to print like I can say addition, right? So I wanted to do like addition. For that, for calculation purpose, addition, I can say that. Okay, add this value. So which value I wanted to add? I wanted to add which value I wanted to add? I wanted to add I plus d, right? So if I'll write like this, see, I plus d. Okay, if I'll write like this, see, it will print the value inside this. See, it is printing like this way. Okay, so it is printing like this way. But inside this, if I'll try to, if I wanted to take one string value, a string I am taking s1 equal to, I wanted to take some 17, I wanted to take. So definitely this will not happen. So I wanted to take some this value like this way, if I wanted to take. And if I'll try to print this, see, definitely what it will happen, we will discuss these things string about in a string concept, no issue. So I wanted to print s plus s1. Okay, see this, what it will print selenium 32th like this way. See, it is printing like this way. So this is how we have seen about two methods. Okay, one is, I can say, xxx value, whatever it is the method signature we wanted to print, we can print for that. Okay, and if I wanted to convert a string to primitive, we can use parse method for that. Okay, in the next video we will see about to a string method in Java. Okay, thank you so much.